Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 3 box break. It's 12:25, 35 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're rolling 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Teams, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Random complete, which means the teams are Vincent Thunder, Tony Jackson Sixers, Andrew Cock Kings, Steve Harrison Cavs, Albie Bulls, Shane Murphy Suns, Jason Aero Wizards, Dobell Blazers, Matus Hawks, David Charles Knicks and Nuggets, Jeff with Magic, Largosa Pistons, Matus Hornets and Grizz, Steve Harrison Spurs, Garth Manning Raptors, Andrew Cock Nets, Philip Tran Warriors, Talal Jazz, Steve Harrison Celtics, Andrew Hunt Rockets, Climbers Bucks, Jeff Heat, Albie Mavericks, Kiwi Pacers, John Spence Wolves, Philip Tran Pelicans, Steve Harrison Clippers, and Lakers, Matt Moo Rickaby. And there's the teams. I'll break at 1 p.m. Is that loading or what?